y'all, welcome back. It's your girl, Coach Shantell's Not Your Hair, and I got my little baby girl, Lyric, with me today. Just chilling, vibing out. I got my little nuggets. I got my special sauce. This sauce is so good, and I've been making it ever since and using it. Burgers, you can use it on hot dogs, you can use it on nuggets, steak, chicken, beef, I mean anything. Sauce, get that in there, you know. It's good. I love it. Every time I eat, or I'm about to record and eat, I'm forgetting to get me something to drink. Huh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah, that's mom.
Oh, Mommy.
Yeah. My sauce. My special sauce, girl. She ate the rest of my nuggets now. I'm putting more in the oven. They're so good. And I still got some sauce left. They're so good. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I can't. I'm willing to wait for another 20-25 minutes for the rest of the nuggets. Say bye. Wave. Wave like this. Wave. Say.